So welcome to this Canva for mobile tutorial. So for those of you that don't really know how to use Canva on your mobile, I think this tutorial will be of help. So let's say you have a particular design in mind and you know the measurements that you want to make your canvas to be. So how do you choose a size in Canva? So you have to go to custom size. So where do you find the custom size? You click on the plus at the bottom of your screen, of your mobile screen, and it takes you to this page. So you can see different designs with the measurements attached at the side. So in case you still do not see the measurement that you're looking for, you go to the very top and click on custom size, then go ahead to type in the measurements you want. So your measurements can either be in pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. So that is how you find custom size on Canva. So another way for you to select the custom size, for example, when your canvas is already open, you can still select your custom size. So when your canvas is open, you just click on the three lines at the top left corner of your full screen. So when you click on those three lines, it will automatically take you to this page. Then you select create a design. So when you select create a design to open this page, you remember this page, right? The different designs with their sizes. If you still don't see the size you want, then you have the option to click on custom size at the top. Then go ahead to type the size that you want. Remember, you can make it in pixels, millimeters, or centimeters. So that's how you select your custom size in Canva.